Greetings, my name is Angie. I go by Stars by Angie. Here in this video, I am 8 months loc. You can still see how I still have the damaged ends on my hair after 8 months. What I'm doing now is demonstrating how I maintain my hair, my loc. I'm doing a simple basic retwist. I'm sure you can see how my arms are positioned to do a palm roll. After I palm roll each loc, I tend to put a clip to hold it into place. You can see at 8 months, like I said earlier in previous videos, I started my locs very small to the point that they were stringy in the first video. So at 8 months, this is the size they look. So they are not fully matured. So this is the brand I was using, which was called Murray Loc Cream. It actually was a good product at the time to use until I was realizing it didn't have a good hold and it was flaky and made my scalp and hair dry. Now I'm showing you Pantene, which is what I use to co-wash my hair. I applied the Pantene on my hair while my hair was dry. Let it sit for 10 or 15 minutes. Then I would I'm actually explaining why I'm using Pantene. I'm using Pantene because it was actually not a bad product at the time to use. It was basically focused on black hair, believe it or not, but that brand right there was for black hair. So I'm explaining why I liked it and why I used it. Now, after I got done rinsing it out, after 10 or 15 minutes, I started using the olive oil and the coconut oil. You can see that my coconut oil is already liquid, meaning it melted. So I kind of always kept my coconut oil in a liquid form, easy to apply on my hair every day. So that's what I applied on my hair every day, and especially after I did a Pantene co-wash. So when you're using hair product like Pantene, you want to make sure you thoroughly rinse out your hair, because if you don't thoroughly rinse out your hair, the product is left in the hair and it causes buildup. So like I said, I was still at the beginning of my loc journey. I was not familiar with a lot of the product. Like I said, as time go on, I was able to become more familiar with what is good for locs and what is not good for locs. So here I'm just explaining my experience with the product that I use. Like I said, I'm still explaining why I used it, and I couldn't tell you right now the reason why I chose to use it. So, here I go. Pay attention to how I'm palm rolling the hair. I put the loc in between my hand. One hand go up, one hand go down. Remember, like I said, I have the stringy ends, so you can see me doing the extra twisting on the ends. So this is a lot of part of where I am doing a lot of retwisting and clipping. Notice how my arms are up and elevated the way are. It becomes tiring, but if it's something you plan to do, you're going to do it. So here is how I look after everything is completed. That was the back part of being completed. Now, do you see how small my parts are? I didn't have any specific size that I wanted. I just knew I wanted a lot of locs at the time. Now, I actually went to bed and covered my hair and air dried. So now you see me styling my hair in different, I'm showing different positions of how I styled my hair. Here is the back. It came out really beautiful. The style was gorgeous. It was something that I created. Also, when I had my starter lock for the first year, I did keep my hair locked. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for other videos. I'm out.